Who is not dancing?
They are not dancing.
Kwa majina naitwa Florence Musini. Nimesimamia hospitali ya Aghakan Nhif. Leo ilikuwa siku nzuri penye tumekutana kama mahospitali ya kibinafsi kusherekea, na tunasherekea kufanya kazi kwa karibu na NHIF, sababu tunajua NHIF ndio bima ya mwananchi. When NHIF is catering for healthcare services, our people are able to access healthcare. So it is a joy that we are able to work in partnership with NHIF, with the county government as private facilities. So we are very grateful for that, and this just marks that milestone to celebrate access and working together. One person might say, okay, fine, healthcare is expensive, Aghakan is expensive. A challenge to that is try and see. With NHIF now there is access to private facilities, and when private facilities are brought